Okay class. It's time for a test on their pilgrims.
Oh shoot, not another test.
Here's your test on their pilgrims. You have 45 minutes to complete your test. If you get stuck, just move on to the next question. And if there's time after you finish the test of the questions, you can get back to it. If there's a problem, just call me. And if you're done with your test, just put it on my desk. Anyways, good luck. And no talking or singing.
Well, that's just great. I can't believe we have to take a test on the pilgrims, and I forgot to study. What am I going to do? I know, since I don't know all the answers to the questions, I will just sing during the test.
Hey. Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. Didn't you hear the teacher? No singing during the test.
Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. Stop singing and do your test.
Listen, Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. If you sing during the test one more time, we're telling the teacher on you.
Waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me.
That's it. We're getting the teacher on you, Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. Mr. Baldi, come here. We have a problem.
Hey. Mailbox, Space Cat AJ Risk, Water Dry Tomcat, and Primrose. What's going on here? I can hear you guys talking.
I was just taking my pilgrim's test.
Actually, Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze was singing during the test, and it's preventing us from doing our test.
Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. How dare you sing during the test? You know we don't sing or talk during the test. That's it. Go to detention right now, and you automatically failed the test and getting F.
No.
Sorry about Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze irritating you guys and preventing you guys from doing your test. You may proceed at doing your pilgrim's test. You have 43 minutes left to finish your test.
Welcome to detention. You will not talk, eat or drink, sleep, chew gum, use a computer, stand up, sing, whistle, and more. You'll stay here for 1 hour. Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. I said no singing. If you sing in detention one more time, you're going to be sent to the principal's office. That's it! Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze! You asked for it, since you sung in detention, Go to the principal's office right now!
So, Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze, why are you here?
I was singing during the pilgrim's test and irritated everyone, and got sent to detention. Then I was singing in detention, and then I got sent here.
Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze, you know we don't sing during the test. It can disrupt the other students while they're trying to take a test. That's it. You're suspended for 3 weeks. Go home now.
Dark Cat Virtual Ducky Wheeze. I just got a phone call from Gorilla. He said that you were singing during the pilgrim's test and irritated the students and got sent to detention. Then you sung in detention, and got suspended for 3 weeks. You know you're not supposed to sing while you're taking a test. It can disrupt the other students while they're trying to take a test. That's it. You are grounded until your 2-week suspension from school is up. Go to your room right now, and I'll tell your wife about this when he gets home.